Hello, my sweet friends. I have received mail and I just wanted to show you, I love that there's real stamps on here. That is great, so those will not go to waste. And also there's some decorative paper on the end. Isn't that a nice touch? I love it so much. Well, let's get into this and see what we've got. I want to carefully cut open this end. Okay, friends, I'm pretty sure that this is a swap and glue. So I am gonna open this up. All right, now this is a swap and glue from my friend Rhonda. And I'm really bad about putting notes in my swap and glues, so I'm not sure if there's there's a note in here, wonderful, okay. This is good, this is good. Okay, so she says group swap and glue, and she says it's for a swap, and she put the date of April 5th, 2021. Jovi, thank you so much for swapping with me. I can't wait to see what you make, Rhonda. So wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, actually, you know what? Before I grab my book, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have to work with. I focused the camera out a little bit. I'm sorry you can see the legs of my camera a little bit, but at least you can see the images all the way, pretty much all the way. Okay, so you know what? I ooh and ah over these because I love imagery, and I love photography and all that. So I'm gonna try to keep my mouth shut so that we can go through them and so that it won't take us, 20 minutes simply just oohing and ahhing over the images, because that's what I do, because I literally just have so much fun looking at them. So, and I'll just pull them over to, oh God, that's pretty. Okay, I said I was gonna be quiet, so I'm gonna try to be quiet. And actually, let me switch my lighting so there's not a glare. It seems to me there's going to be a glare, so let me see if I can hold it a certain way to take the glare out. Okay, there we go. So I'll just tilt it up a little bit. Okay, love that. It's really hard to be quiet because these are great. Oh, I haven't even looked at the other side. Look at this, you guys. This is a vine person. That's really something. Look at the other side of this one too. Very nice. And this one. Dancing. That's fun. How cute is that? Wow, gosh. Well, I had to say something about this. This is really cool. Can you guys see that? That's beautiful. Look at that bird. I love it. Love it so much. That is very luxurious. Ooh, what a great image. Oh my goodness. Am I crazy about this? Wow. That's, okay, hold on. You guys gotta see this. I gotta hold this the right way. Okay, there you go. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, these are really cool, guys. I'm gonna go get my book and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back. The wonderful Thelma Findley made this journal for me. We did a swap. Well, it was kind of a round robin, really. Anyway, she made this and it's so beautiful and I love it. So I am gonna turn this into another one of my art journals. So let's start on, let's see, let me see if I can find a completely blank page. Oh, I might not be able to find a completely blank. Well, that's almost completely blank. Ooh, that's completely blank. Let's see. Yep, let's do our collage in here, in this one. All right, friends, I changed the lighting in my room just to try to get rid of the glare. Hopefully it's not too dark. I don't think it is. So that we're gonna give this a try. Yeah, I think at least there's not a lot of glare, so that's good. All right, so I love this image, so I definitely want to use that in our collage. So we are gonna get started with that. And actually for this one, I'm not gonna tear. I'm gonna go ahead and fussy cut this out. And actually I might not even need to, it might fit right. I might just fold it in half. And then I might go ahead and tear it just since I'm folding it. It might be easier than trying to cut a straight line actually. Although I could use my paper cutter, but that makes too much sense. All right, let's give this a try.
While I'm getting this page ready, I figured I'd go ahead and mention my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm super excited about it. I'm extending the deadline to the end of May because I want to make some things to go with the giveaway, and I need some extra time. Plus, I don't want people to feel, pressured or that they don't have enough time. There are a lot of giveaways going on right now, or challenges, I should say. And so, people are just working like crazy to make their ATCs and their memory dexes, and it's so much fun. And I've joined in on a couple of other people's, and I'm loving it. And I want to keep my eye out for some of my other crafty friends that are looking for ATCs or mem dexes, because I'm relatively new at both of those, and it's just nice to get the practice. So anyway, I wanted to just mention my giveaway. I will attach the video to the description box here if you haven't seen it. I hope you can join in. I'm super excited about receiving ATCs from my crafty friends. I have a book to put them in and all of that good stuff, so it's very exciting to me.
All right, we are going to start by adding this to this side. All right, now we are going to go ahead and adhere the next side, and I will line them up as best as I can. I think in order to do that, I will start by putting the glue at the bottom of the page so I can line the kid up, and then we will work our way up. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and trim the top and the bottom. All right, so I got this image on, which I love so much. It's just fantastic in every way. Now, what I'd really like to do is work this flamingo into this spread. And I'd actually like the flamingo over here somewhere, kind of like where the mom is. So I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this flamingo out of here. And I'm just real quick going to get rid of the bulky parts of the paper so I don't have to deal with it. I'll go ahead and fussy cut off camera. All right, I have our flamingo cut out, and let's just move him around the page a little bit. We could put him over here like he's walking, walking out of the room. But I don't want to cover this guy too much, but it's an option. And then we could have him over here where he is covering the mom, but maybe it looks like he's just walking by. You know, we could do it like that. That's not too bad, like he's walking in front of her. They're hanging out together, so that's possible. And then while we're trying to make that decision, I was thinking I'd like to cut out this big yellow drink and put that on the page. So I'm gonna cut that out and I will be right back. Okay, so this collage is actually gonna be pretty simple. I don't wanna cover all of this image because I love it so much. And I think I'd like to use this big giant drink. And we know I want to use this fantastic flamingo. Maybe we have the flamingo here. We'll just uncover the guy's face a little bit, and we'll have our flamingo here and our drink here. So, but before we do that, we're gonna have to put something here just to cover up the writing, just so. So let me see what I can find in our little stash here. Okay, perfect. So we've got some pictures here. So what we can do is we'll cut out this picture and we'll put it right here. Oh, it's still pretty big. Let me trim that down. I'd really almost like it to look like it has a frame. I could draw a frame onto it. I think I want to cut it down some more though.
I had to turn the volume down and do a little voiceover in this part because while I was working on the collage, Amanda was making her breakfast or lunch. I'm not sure what time of the day I was working on this. Anyway, she had the blender going, so it was pretty loud. So anyway, speaking of Amanda, she's doing great. She is finishing up her last week of college courses for the semester. So I know that she is looking forward to wrapping all of that up. I have adhered the big drink to the right hand side of the collage, and now I am attaching the flamingo in the best place that I feel like I could have found for him, and I just knew I absolutely had to have him in the collage. So I've got him so that he looks like he's enjoying the drink, but he's not blocking the man behind the counter who is so lovingly looking at the woman who is looking at her child eating candy while sitting on the floor of the candy shop. For an additional touch of whimsy, I am adding a large spoon to the left-hand side of the collage. Once the glue is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and take my pink marker and I'm just going to go underneath parts of the flamingo just to add like a very slight shadow effect, and I'm only doing that just to make him pop off the page a little bit more.
Friends, there is today's collage with all of the items sent to me by my friend Rhonda, and I love, love, love the images that she sent to me. And I love this. I love this collage because it's got this lady really in 1940s attire, and we've got the kid behind, you know, he works in the candy store, and he kind of looks like he works in an ice cream shop. Then we have our giant drink and our flamingos getting ready to enjoy some of that. The kid down here is eating some candy. Then we just have a nice big spoon, and it's just a fun, colorful collage. It makes me, you know, feel like I'm on vacation when I look at it. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.